What's poppin', everybody? Michael Lauder here from CarpetTools.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut in a bedroom of carpet, and we're actually doing an indoor-outdoor loop commercial style carpet. Everybody calls it something a little different there, but typically it's known as indoor-outdoor carpet. So peep the room here, give you a little overhead view. Now, a question came in about cutting in corners on the room. So let me get you lined up here. And actually, for the DIY types, I'm going to bring this back just a little bit. I'm going to slide this over. You can follow along with me. Now, there's no cuts made yet. The full piece is rolled out. We've got it nice and flat. Now it's time to shape this out. So, you see we have our corner there, we have a closet there, then we have our wall going out. So, let's get you set up at the corner. Now, you got your knife, you want a fresh razor, it's a loop carpet. So if you don't have a good razor, it's going to turn into spaghetti everywhere. You're going to make a slight cut this way, only about an inch or two, and then you want to just bring it straight back. And you can actually trace the lines on the back, and if you rolled it out and squared it up with the room nice and evenly. So, now, so we made our first cut on the corner. Boom. So that part drops in, we're good to go. Now, we have our closet to cut and have that drop in. So next, I'm going to go from this corner here, make a slight cut, bring it over, boom, good to go. So that's loose and ready to rock. We are going to go over to this corner. Let me get you a close up so you can follow along. We're going to go from this corner, make a small angled cut, and then just bring it straight out to the wall. Alright, so the closet piece, nice and loose, ready to flop into the closet. Let's see if I can get a little hacky-wacky with this one here. There we go. Swinging it open. Now our closet piece is in there. I'm going to show you an inside corner too, because this seems to be tricky for a lot of the DIY types. So we have all this excess right here. Let's get this out of the way. Once again, all I'm doing is making that slight cut at an angle. And you're tracing the wall. That's all you're doing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get a corner cut on this as well. Just give you an idea how it's done. So we're in the corner right here. Let me get you a little more close up. And take my knife, I'm just going to run a little angle cut this way. And then I want to do that cut there. Boom, now your corner's ready to rock. So, technically you would take your stair tool, hook knife, whatever, crease it on. Take your kicker, you're going to stretch it out that way to the opposite wall, then you can come back and you can crease this wall on, and then stretch the opposite way. So, you know I have countless videos on how to do that, and I'll continue to shoot more. Thank you so much for tuning into this video on doing corner cuts. Be sure to subscribe and stop by CarpetTools.com. We got some sick promos over there. I truly appreciate your time, and I'll catch you on the next video.